Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Wrapped Quilibrium token. Ticker symbol is WQUIL. Now the Quilibrium is a new decentralized network model which leverages techniques that differ from common blockchain constructions. And it was just announced that the WQUIL token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, May 17th, and it's already live. And we're going to go over the information on WQUIL and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Quilibrium.com is their webpage. Over there you can find a full document section, labs, results, swag, source, claim rewards button, all sorts of links on there. And they are on Etherscan. Wrapped Quil is the name of the ERC20 token. WQUIL is the ticker symbol. They have 3,841 holders so far, 8 decimal places on this token, and they have a max total supply of a little bit over 235,418,000 tokens. Now, it was just announced that this token will be listed today and is live already at May 17th, 9 o'clock UTC time. That's already passed. They will be listed on CoinEx Global. So if you're looking to get WQUIL, all you would have to do is, first of all, if you don't have a CoinEx Global account, I do have a CoinEx Global referral code down there in the description box. All you'd have to do, simply go right through that CoinEx Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search WQUIL, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, they have a gigantic 33-page white paper that has tons of info on there. But basically, Quilibrium is a new decentralized network model which leverages techniques that differ from common blockchain constructions. Directly, it does not build consensus around a blockchain, but indirectly, a blockchain or any other data structure may be maintained within the shards of the hypergraph. A major distinction beyond the core data structure also includes the interactivity model, preserving complete privacy and anonymity. In the communication level, the query planner level, and the storage level, to revisit the network behaviors of many blockchain-based constructions, the typical behavior of nodes is to be responsible for verifying and validating transactions, and for adding new blocks of transactions to the blockchain to maintain the structure. So nodes receive new transactions from users on the network and verify that the transactions are valid according to the rules of the protocol. This typically involves validating a signature and that the transaction does not violate any rules or constraints, such as double spending or invalid execution of code. Once a node has verified the transaction, it broadcasts the transaction to other nodes in the network, who also verify the transaction and add it to their own local copy of the block being created. So it goes over, basically this happens for a lot of different blockchains. This isn't very specific to this blockchain. But let's skip down here to their specific approach. So it says Quilibrium's network's design utilizes cryptographic approaches to provide unforgeably valid transactions of state, such that adverse conditions are structurally impossible and malicious behaviors are implicitly punishable by removing and revealing. Now, there's an article that describes the full scope of the network. We're not going to go over that. Like I said, there's a giant white paper you can review if you want. So it includes full details of the fundamental foundational principles and protocols used, so that while the source material is referenced, this article may be understood without needing to refer to any additional material. So they review the communication layer, wherein the privacy-preserving account addresses scheme, the multi-party group broadcast channel constructions with perfect forward secrecy and anonymous routing protocol is described. For storage of blocks of data, first we review the use of the verifiable delay functions, threshold polynomial commitments to enable sharding of the network storage, the intershard gossip protocol, ultimately building the hypergraph network, and so on and so on. So this provides the core of the Quilibrium network. Now they have communication, so the network's communication can be separated into 4 major components: the planted clique advertising scheme, triple ratchet protocol, shuffled lattice routing protocol, and gossip layer. So they go over each one of those on their white paper, all the algorithms and things like that. You could review all of that. Now, their white paper has lots of info on it, but you can skip to different headings if you go to their document section. So in their document section, they go over the foundations, like communication, block storage, operating system, running a node, advanced configuration, running applications, compiling the OT circuits, and deploying to the network. So they have different sections here about addressing, E2EE, mixed net routing, P2P communication, block storage, VDFs, Bloom clock, Oblivious, hypergraph, RDF storage, planner, evaluator, the operating system, file system, accounts, universal resources. So all sorts of tutorials are on there as well. Now their web page, it says here that basically what is Equilibrium in a nutshell? It just says Quilibrium. Did I say equilibrium? I meant Quilibrium. No E. Quilibrium is a decentralized internet layer protocol providing the creature comforts of cloud without sacrificing privacy or scalability, with familiar API-compatible SDKs. Switching to no cloud may be easier than you think. So basically, usually I put a Twitter up right here, but they don't seem to have any socials that I could find on their webpage. Maybe on their documents, I don't see any either. They just have the white paper, the document section, the lab swag source, and all of it is at quilibrium.com. So I'm probably just going to put the announcement here, and you can find this, like I said, WQuil on Etherscan as well, which means that it'll most likely be available on Uniswap as well. But as of today, this token is available on CoinEx Global. So check out all the referral codes down there, especially that CoinEx Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.